Now, despite seeing a small decline in price today, Terra Luna Classic continues to be the #1 traded coin on many platforms. Now, I'll talk a little bit about KuCoin statistics in this video to show you how many people are buying, what the buy to sell ratio and stuff like that looks like. But I really want to focus on why we may have been seeing the slight downward trend that we have today, with a little bit of a sell-off following the Binance burn announcements. Because, guys, a lot of people out there are thinking, these are good numbers, but why is the price going down? And of course, you have to rationalize it, and it is a guess as to why people are buying and why people are selling. You don't have to fill out some questionnaire and answer your intentions when you click the buy and sell button. So we'll be diving a little bit deeper into that for Terra Luna Classic. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks. $1 crypto trade gets you $5 in free crypto. And then if you want a crypto exclusive exchange where you can buy and sell Terra Luna Classic, you've got KuCoin in the description. Not only are you going to be able to buy and sell Terra Luna Classic on there, you can do so on 5x leverage if you want. And if you want to support the Binance burns, you've got international Binance in the link or in the description as well. So guys, let's talk about this, because I want to start with the reasons why we may have seen the Terra Luna Classic fall in price today, and then we'll talk about some of the statistics we see on KuCoin, and really just goes to show that Terra Luna Classic is still thriving in the current market despite the price falling down a little bit today. So what we have is most likely, I broke it down a little bit better or a little bit more in the first video of the day today, but what we have is most likely a mismanagement of expectations. Now, a lot of people were calling for 10, 15, 20, 25 billion Terra Luna Classic to be burnt by Binance in one trade, the one burn that they did. And that's a very large number. So if those were your expectations and you see 5.5 billion come across the screen today, you will be disappointed. You will be discouraged, and you will continue to think that that is low. Now, more realistic expectations, we're taking somewhat of an average between the 0.1% trading fee and the 0.02% trading fee that Binance allows, and then calculating the burns based on volume. I was hoping for 6 to 8 billion Terra Luna Classic being burned, and we ended up getting 5.595 billion Terra Luna Classic burned. So I'm excited, while other people may have been disappointed. And even though we look at this as an actual sacrifice from Binance, they're burning their trading fees. They did not have to do that. They're not being forced to do that, but they are doing that. And it's $1.9 million worth of Terra Luna Classic burn in 1 week's period. Guys, imagine what they're going to continue to do as time moves on. Imagine what they're going to continue to do if the price of Terra Luna Classic does continue down. I mean, if you guys want to be rich by next month, okay, you don't want to see the price move lower. But if you want to see the supply of Terra Luna Classic diminish and the price does move lower, imagine when that number goes from a steady 5, 6 billion to 10, 12 billion to 10, 20 billion Terra Luna Classic just by the price moving, not an increase in volume at all. So we've got a lot to look forward to in terms of burns, and managing these expectations and keeping them realistic is by far one of the most important things we can do, because it reduces the volatility a little bit, yes, and allows traders to have that positive perspective instead of a negative outlook. Now, of course, we're going to have to deal with upswings, we're going to have to deal with downturns and so on, but guys, we are just at the beginning stages. We need to realize that Binance burns are still the beginning stages. If KuCoin, which is doing roughly, $50 to $100 million a day in volume, simply jumps on board, maybe they could compete with Binance. Maybe they're going to burn 0.2%. Maybe they're going to burn 0.2%, yes, would be nice, but the average numbers, if you guys go look at that video from this morning and you see the average trading fee on Terra Luna Classic on the Binance platform was 0.025%. All KuCoin has to do is come in and burn 0.5%, or not 0.5%, 0.05%. 0.5% would be wild. If they burn 0.05%, that trading fee is twice as much as Binance. And all of a sudden, they could get many new customers, and that burn number all of a sudden could go from 5-6 billion a week to 10 billion Terra Luna Classic being burned on a weekly basis as more and more of these exchanges jump in. So don't be discouraged by the burn numbers. Don't be distraught if they weren't as good as you thought they were. They can absolutely increase. Now, if you're looking at the price going down and you're wondering why, it's still okay. Guys, the number one traded coin, the gem of the week, most actively traded within the last hour, Terra Luna Classic. KuCoin shows you this on a daily basis, and we can see the numbers aren't fantastic, but with still over 4,500 traders buying and selling Terra Luna Classic within the last hour is awesome. When it's running up in price, those numbers reach around 20,000 traders per hour. So it puts it in context where we're at right now. It's still good. It's still the best on the platform, but it is less than others. Now, if you're looking at the buy to sell ratio, 55, almost 56% are buy orders, and 45 to 44% are sell orders. The majority of pros and the majority of whales are buying Terra Luna Classic on the KuCoin platform. Guys, it almost doesn't matter if the price is up. It doesn't matter if the price is down. Terra Luna Classic continues to see some of the strongest support in the entire cryptocurrency community right now. We are relentless. We will not give up, and we will make ourselves known. So if you're thinking about contributing to anything in terms of Terra Luna Classic's success, share it on social media. Click like buttons, engage with posts, let these people know that we are here and we are not going anywhere until we see the Terra Luna Classic blockchain rebuilt, restored, and way above where it was before. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Let me know your thoughts on the Binance burns. Did they meet, exceed, or fall short of your expectations? Let us know down there. And of course, if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. You guys got ClayBro 883 everywhere. You're getting 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull. You can buy Terra Luna Classic on KuCoin and Binance. And until the next time, free Discord as well, guys. Don't forget about the free Discord. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.